I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky and crash down to the land below. Oh my gosh, the other train is joining me too. I believe that we can both fly. Look at me, I'm up rising up the sky. I am rising up really high, and I won't stop until you will. This is chaos up here. I will stop now, so you gone. But I will stop if there was friend. Blue train are circling around me like a hurricane.
Grind his bones to make your bread. You know the whole ogre trip.
Oh, I know what. Maybe I could have decapitated him. Got a knife, cut open their spleen and drink their fluids.
Well done, Sunyan.
For your information, there's a lot more to ogres than people think.
Example?
Example? Okay, ogres are like onions.
They stink?
Yes.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs.
No! Layers! Onions have...
Dum 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 dum. I'm Shrek boy. Dum 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 dum. I'm Shrek boy. Dum dum dum. I'm coming to get you. I scared chub scared you. Oh yeah, you're.